Okay girls, so now we're going to keep going and we're going to start traveling with our sway. And we're going to add a little Turkish figure eight. So we have a little combination, I call it the sway combination. And again, it has to do with that footwork that we learned from the circles and a half. So first things first, go ahead and give me 1.5. Tuck the pelvis, lift the chest, roll the arms, and balance in second position. First thing we have to learn is the footwork. Let's review this. 5, 6, 7, give me step, together, step, and touch. Step, together, step, and touch. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, close, 5, 6, 7, and release. Excellent. Now we're going to add a 1-hip sway to this footwork. Give me step, together, step, and touch. Circle in together, circle and touch. Circle it in, circle it in. Try it with me again. So it's the right hip coming in, the right hip, and touch. Again, step, together, step, and touch. Make sure you're really using those obliques and you're pushing off the floor a little faster. Sway and sway, tap, sway, and sway. Remember, keep those feet close. Good. Use those muscles. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, break. Now we're going to add a little Turkish here. First, give me step, together, step, and touch. The weight is on the right leg. This is the leg that's free. Give me twist, release, twist, release. Again, step, together, step, and touch. The weight is on the left leg. This is the leg that now can go into the Turkish. Twist, left, kick, right. Let's try it again. Step, together, step, and tap. Twist and kick, twist and release. Again, step, together, step, and touch. Twist and release. Good. Let's try it a little faster. It's sway, Turkish, and Turkish. Sway and sway. Good. I want you to really use those muscles now. Pull it in, and roll, and roll. Good. Control those knees, control those feet, point those toes. It's sway and sway, Turkish, Turkish. Again, sway and sway. Good. Counting it out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Take a deep breath. Now we're going to add the arms. Very good. So before we even get into the footwork, let's get into the arms. We will do a variation of sunset arms. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, sway and sway, Turkish and Turkish. Sway and sway, Turkish and Turkish. Step together, step, tap, twist, kick, step together, step, tap. Try it in position. And step together, step, tap, twist, kick again. It's sway, sway, Turkish. Now we count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Try it with me one more time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Take a deep breath. Excellent, good. So practice this one over and over again. It does take some time when we start adding arms and transitions and all sorts of fanciness. So practice this combination until you get it down. Good job.